Paano ang process ng paglilipat ng titulo or ownership transfer? Good morning, good learning everyone. This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. Ang topic po natin today is kung paano ang process ng paglilipat ng title or ownership transfer. I suggest, panoorin po nila ang aking video sa mga requirements at expenses sa paglilipat ng title. So pag kumpleto na po ang requirements nila, here are the steps kung paano po i-process ang title transfer. Number 1, notarize your deed of sale. Number 2, get 2 copies of certified true copy ng title at ng tax declaration. If lot only, kumuha po tayo ng certificate of no improvement. Number 3, pay for the real property tax or amilyar. Then get a tax clearance from the City Hall. Number 4, pumunta po tayo sa BIR na nakakasakop sa area po ng property para magpa-compute at mag-fill up po tayo ng forms for the capital gain tax which is 6% of the BIR assessment and documentary stamp tax which is 1.5% ng BIR assessment. If corporation, instead of CGT, EWT na po. Number 5, pay the CGT and DST sa accredited bank ni BIR. Number 6, go back to BIR para isubmit po natin yung mga forms, pinagbayaran natin at iba pang mga requirements. Number 7, go to City Hall and pay for the transfer tax. If the seller is a corporation, meron pong additional expense na business tax. Number 8, after few weeks, mag-follow up po tayo kay BIR para sa e-car po natin or electronic certificate authorizing registration. Number 9, once na may e-car na po tayo at transfer tax payment, go to the Registry of Deeds na nakakasakop sa property. Pay for the registration fees and submit the original title. Sa Registry of Deeds, may exact computation po sila sa registration fees. Medyo near lang po yan sa transfer tax expense. Number 10, after few days, follow up po tayo sa Registry of Deeds para sa new title. Number 11, once the new title is released, go to the assessor's office to transfer the tax declaration. Don't forget to bring the new original title along with the photocopy of the new and old title. Number 12, after a few days, you will receive the new tax declaration under your name. Mga ka-property, I hope nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to. Pa-type naman po ang yes sa comment section. Again, kung kailangan po nila ng license, that's one of our service. If you have any questions, paki-type lang po sa comment section. Para safe po ang ating transaction, please continue to watch our videos. Pasuyin na din po, pa-like, follow and share po ang aming mga social media platforms. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa ating lahat.